Woke up this morning and wonder, hey shit, I get fresh as shit, I keep it humble. My closet like Dover Street used to be bumming. Some days I'm still bumming, the difference is now it's by choice. Got just to peek out the window, these little niggas different. They don't play Nintendo, they play with extendos. I hope you can limbo, that chopper gon' spin you around like a judge on a voice. I'm from a city where most niggas never get lucky enough to see something outside county limits. I ran up the ditches, I don't have no motherfucking business, complain about nothing. Ain't got no time and no patience for lists they be making, or who they debating is better. Let's face it, he one of the greatest, no Bill Cosby shit, but if niggas is sleeping, then fuck 'em. Most niggas don't understand me, I don't do the Grammys, I be in my jammies on sofa. Most niggas don't understand me, Ferrari or Camry, I bet I look good in them both. Most niggas don't even get this, how you on top but you don't got no bitches, I know. Most niggas don't even get this, they're given a chance, they trade family for riches, I know. Look at my ceiling, it's endless, I'm sick of these bitch niggas feeling the sentence. It ain't in the vitamin C in they system to get rid of me, I'm a killer, relentless. On top of it, I sound like I'm still in the trenches, I come from the ville, I turn villains to victims. Regency, R.I.P. Phillip, your missions, a message for niggas that's feeling ambitious. How come a nigga still ain't to the prime? Ah, you bitch, all season coming May 14th.